It was another beautiful day in the garden, and of course it was an important day, Pearl's birthday. "Oh, Priscilla," puffed Penelope, "I can't wait until this afternoon for the party. Pearl said she was making tea and muffins for her dear Puffins." "Me too, Penelope, and Pat Periwinkle and his wife Polly are bringing a delicious birthday cake, and their children, Patricia and Paul, are so adorable. And I think Pearl will love our pink shell necklace," said Penelope. At 4 o'clock, on the dot, everything was ready. Pat, Polly, and the children arrived with a scrumptious cake. Pearl was sitting under the apple tree, ready to open her birthday presents. "Priscilla," puffed Penelope, "can you smell smoke?" "Yes, I can, Penelope, now that you mention it. Maybe someone is having a barbecue." "No, Priscilla, it's from the cottage. It's coming from Pearl's kitchen. Let's go and see." Priscilla flew ahead, and she saw smoke billowing from Pearl's oven. "Oh no!" she exclaimed. "The muffins are burning, and the oven is on fire. Emergency! Emergency!" Pat and Polly, hearing the commotion coming from the kitchen, arrived and quickly put out the fire with the fire extinguisher. "Oh dear," said Pat, "but good job you two smelt the smoke. Otherwise it could have been much worse. Now let's get back to Pearl and let the party begin." The party was pufftastic. Polly played Pearl's piano, and of course Priscilla sang, "Oh Pearl is our favourite birthday girl." The cake was absolutely pufflicious, and Pearl loved her pink shell necklace. And of course everyone had a nice cup of tea.